is currently the president, I want to read this so I get it right, of the Black Edfluencers United, BEU or BU. Now, when I hear BU, I kind of naturally think about my alma mater, but I'm going to suspend that for the moment and just say it's BU, Black Edfluencers United. Dr. Shango Blake is also the executive director of New York City Speaks and is known as the hip hop principal. Dr. Shango Blake was just sharing with me and some of you perhaps as well with his experiences in Jamaica, Queens, and Pt.1 and the way that he approached that, daring to integrate concepts from hip hop to bring along the creation of a new curriculum model that included teacher development, included parent engagement and performances, and really connecting with young people where they are. I've only had the opportunity to have a few conversations with Dr. Blake, but I am very touched by the synergy of the values that he brings, that we strive for in this organization. The understanding that we need to meet people where they are, at times kind of reach for a place that maybe feels like they need to be met in order to lift up. I just used a beautiful analogy for me that, he said when he was lifting weights, but I know it was this morning just before he came out here, he was pumping up, because you got to get pumped up for this event, right? So you got to get under it to lift it, right? And that's what we want to do today. We want to get under it, we want to lift it, and we are very proud and pleased to have Dr. Blake here to help us do that. So please welcome Dr. Shango Blake.
Thank you, Kevin. I am still trying to get my, pre-COVID body back. So I appreciate the compliment.